Welcome to The Explainer. We're diving into the new AI engineering skill gap and a program built to fill it.
Right now, a huge wave of investment is reshaping entire industries with AI. It's happening fast. But here's the big question. Are you ready to build it? This frenzy creates huge opportunities and challenges. Just look at the numbers. Tech giants are pouring billions into AI. The spending is absolutely skyrocketing. And that boom is creating enormous market value, with players like NVIDIA hitting these massive valuations. But all this efficiency, well, it cuts both ways. Automation is now coming for entry-level professional jobs. So what we're seeing is a brand new and pretty serious skills gap opening up in the market. Get this, 8 out of 10 companies are already planning to lay off recent grads because of AI. This is called the seniority gap. Junior roles are disappearing, but demand for senior talent is way up. So the bottom line is junior roles are getting automated, while senior roles are being augmented. But on the flip side of that gap, top AI engineers are getting paid like professional athletes. Seriously. The demand has completely shifted. It's not about using AI anymore. It's about building it. And that's where the AI engineer program comes in. It's a path designed to take you from zero to production. You know, AI engineering isn't just one thing. It's a mix of old foundations and brand new skills. So, to handle all that, the program uses a dual-track curriculum. You learn theory and practice at once. The core track hits the theory, ML and LLMs. The engineering track is all about production-ready skills. And it's all backed by over 1,000 pages of custom books, scripts, and ready-to-go collab notebooks. The whole approach is do first. You're learning by actually building things, exercises, projects, the whole shebang. And the goal? Not just knowing stuff, but having a public, interview-ready portfolio to prove it. This means you can actually ship AI features and explain your choices on reliability, latency, and cost. So the future's being built with AI. The real question is, what will you build?